Hi there, today I will guide you through how to brainstorm your novel with the help of Sudowrite. Writing novel with the help of Sudowriter is a very simple task, but make sure you have a perfect story and a character for your novel. Then, with the help of Sudowrite, you can write the whole novel easily. I write each and single step which we will use in the Sudowrite. So let me open my notepad, and here you can see how to brainstorm your novel into Sudowrite. The first step is set up your project, create a new document and title it. But that would be as you want. My title will be Echoes of the Last Night. This one is the title of my novel. The next thing you will do is write a quick blurb in the beginning to anchor your theme, and that will be a sci-fi mystery set in the world without sunlight. Because my topic is about echoes of the last night. So that's why I will write this. A world without sunlight. After having above things, I will use Brainstorm tool in the Sudowrite, and in Sudo I will use the prompt that will be a character brainstorm. And the character should be a young, curious engineer who grew up under artificial light. Then I will brainstorm. These are the plots of Brainstorm. List 5 major plot twists that will be happened in the world without sunlight. These are the ideas. After having all these, I will open the Sudowrite and I will open this project. The first thing I will do is, I will enter the title. So let me enter. After entering the title, I click on the brainstorm, and here I need to brainstorm the characters. So that's why I will click on it. Now I need to give a list. The list is ready, so that's why I will copy it. After it, I will add the context, and that will be, after entering, I will click on the option Start. You can create context as much as you want, but I only enter a single one. So let him think. These prompt will be in story. I will include the first one, and I will delete these. I choose 4. Now here, click on the option Save and Exit. Now, I need to set up an idea to Sudowrite to let him think about my story. So let me copy and paste. After writing, click on Option Write, and here you can see this is the written story. In order to insert it, click on that insert and it's inserted. So, using this way, you can brainstorm your novel in Sudo, right? And that's it.